Hi, I'm going to be providing a bit of an overview of the Umajin CMS, or Content Management System. If the purpose of an application is to present data to a customer and possibly gather feedback from that customer, then the CMS is the nerve center. It's where you configure the kind of data that you want to present and also the kind of data that you want to gather back. So let's go ahead and log in there. Now, if you've logged in and you haven't created any projects, then your project list will obviously be blank. Don't freak out, that's okay, because we'll be going to the editor next to create a project. So log into the editor with the same details that you logged into the CMS with. And because we haven't got any projects, we can take them straight to the new project. Let's just create a new blank one. And we'll give that a name. I'm going to create this one for the dynamic feed video that I'll be doing next. So let's call it Dynamic Feed Demo. And we're going to create that. Then that's going to create that with the CMS and sync the first initial set of data with it. And once that's done, we can now go back to the CMS. And if we click on our project list again, now we can see it's right there. If we select that project, we can now, things get interesting. We can create possibly any feeds that we might need. We can create any dynamic articles we might want, any dynamic forms, quizzes, e-commerce. So if we have, say we're a franchise and we have a list of stores throughout the country, any products we may have, we can group those products together into product lists. Any orders that customers may have placed. We can potentially import a list of products to make life easy for ourselves. In the communication area, we can set up email templates. So if an order is placed or a form is submitted, we can send an automatic email either to ourselves or to the customer. Push templates. So if we're regularly refreshing a feed, like we're getting seeing what new Twitter posts have been posted, then we can push a notification out to the customers every time that changes. We can also send push notifications to everybody who has this particular application, and we can change our profile, i.e. our email address that we log in with, or our password. And we can also download, so we can download the editor. Currently that's version 1.1, but by the time you see this, 1.2 should be out. And the dashboard gives us an overview of this particular project or application. So we can see any orders that may have been placed or any of the last 10 form submissions. I'm going to go through each of the sections on the side in a little bit more detail in each video. But yeah, so CMS, it's really quite handy. The one thing I will show you though is in the editor, because you don't have to log in every time. So if you were to create a new feed, so let's create a new one. Let's go to Dynamic and Dynamic Feed Item View. Let's insert one of those. Now here we have the little go off to the internet icon, and that will take us straight to the feed section for this project on the CMS. So you don't have to be logged in. The editor will take you to the right place.